Welcome to South Seattle College and the Center for International Education, where we offer comprehensive university-level education for all our students. Explore various opportunities. Create lifelong friendships. Imagine the possibilities. There are over 40 university transfer programs to choose from. Do you like working with your hands? Are you looking for an exciting career? Would you like to work with jet engines with 120,000 pounds of thrust? If so, our Aviation Maintenance Technology program is the place for you. We have a long and rich history of producing aviation technicians. South's Aviation Maintenance Technology program will prepare you with the skills needed to be successful in one of the strongest global industries. What makes South great is our belief that every student can be successful. We provide the training and teach the skills necessary to become an aviation maintenance technician. The environment here allows you to explore various opportunities and create lifelong friendships. Imagine the possibilities.